welcome back to a gear review. This is my tech kit. You're going to enjoy this one, I think. I actually can't remember what's even in here. I packed this a long time ago. So first is something from my travels in Europe. I got this just a visibility thing. I have this on here because of the handle. So I really need to have this on. I can strap this to the outside of my bag. It just means it's easier than having to fit all this thing, and it looks really ugly. So you only need this in the worst case scenario. So open this inside. You'll get earphones, lots of earphones. I only have 2 pairs in here. I have 2 pairs in here. I normally have 3, but the other ones are getting used for something else. So the first pair, if I just can separate them, are a airplane pair. One's the stupid 2-prong audio jacks. A cheap pair, and the best of the pair. My second pair are Apple headphones with the lightning cable, the lightning jack cable for. Because Apple decided stupid and wanted to make us pay more for stupid headphones. Because I have an Apple, but I have an Apple and an Android, but I'm using an Apple right now. And this is a clip for recording stuff, for a camera, for a phone camera mount for lenses. Let's see if I can get the lens. There are the lenses here. I carry a multitude of different lenses, fisheye lenses, wide angle lenses, and you'll see these in different videos. Especially when I'm outdoors, I'll use these. Just camera recording stuff. Then this thing's actually a blast from the past, very outdated. Just another spy gear thing. And I know it looks kind of stupid, but this is a black hat thing as well, because I don't actually wear the thing, obviously, but it's great for setting down on, say, a desk or a wall or something. Great for just sitting down on a desk or a wall or something, recording and taking video and sound files. Great for that. Then we have a 2 USB car charger, because travelling a lot. Then you have a audio or video cable for the older technologies, and then in here I have a few prank items to cause people a lot of annoying things, because when people don't use headphones, they pop these in, make them into the computer or phone broken or telly's broken. So just a few things to stop the noise. Then we have a Cat 4, Cat 5 cable, or Ethernet cable from hacking people. Maybe they'll stumble on because of the vlog. Cat 5 cable. The thing that I just want to keep in the kit, but normally is my wallet, is a waterproof bag SD card, because it's the safest storage it can be. It's thin, light and portable. Thinner than the USB stick, and it's only 1 gig, but it can store important documents to me. Now, I'm very patriotic, so I store the Magna Carta and other things, like the Magna Carta, the institution document of the UK, flags, some stupid stuff. Then you have other USB micro SD card, or you have a micro SD card adapter for my laptop, and you have another SD card. I have more SD cards than I have USB sticks, but that's because they're smaller. I can carry more of them. And last but not least, a charging card. Now this is a great bit of kit. This comes out, and it's a white. I kept this in my old wallet, but because I want to keep my new wallet as thin as possible, I didn't include it, and I just put it in the tech kit instead. A great bit of kit. I don't know if they weren't sold on Amazon, I don't think, but I'm pretty sure I could find them. And then once I set up my website, I'm probably going to sell most of this on there anyway, including these little bits here. I'm going to sell these as well on there, although you can make them yourselves. I'm not saying you would have to buy them off there, but it's a potential revenue stream for me, and more money for me means better content for you, and also means I can do the other projects in my life. Well, it all fits in fairly easily. This also goes in the bag, not all the time, because I don't need this all the time, because I can manage normally with just what I've got in the bag. But when I'm going on a technology job or on any sort of tech required thing, this is good for it. You probably know there's a lot of other social medias on my channel now, like my Instagram and the Discord server as well. The Discord server's there. Join that, please. We are on there regularly. Me and the other members of the Grey Hat team are on there a lot. So yeah, that's been the tech kit review. That's been very good. I'd like to say a thank you, subscribe. Well, it's already came up with the subscribe thing, isn't it? So see you later.